Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Alright, so we're doing another PASSLOCK video. If you guys have GM vehicles, GMCs, Chevys, Cadillacs, any vehicle with the PASSLOCK system made by GM. So basically, if you guys don't know, if you guys have had GM vehicles, you guys know that this PASSLOCK issue comes up every once in a while. It's a very common issue. It could come up when you try to jump another vehicle. Something as mundane as jumping another vehicle from your battery. Something as mundane as changing out the battery. It really doesn't take much to set the PASSLOCK system to turn on, where it immobilizes your fuel system. More recent GM vehicles, they have a system where it actually immobilizes your starter, where you have a no crank no start issue. Previous to that, you have a crank no start issue with a passkey light, PASSLOCK light. You guys get that little security light on your dash, you know that the issue is a security issue, and for the most part, sometimes that's a good thing, because it actually narrows down the problems that could exist to cause this issue. Now, without that, you want to make sure, okay, that you guys actually have that light on your dash, because these no crank no starts, crank no start issues can be caused by a variety of things. And I've done many videos where you guys could reset the PASSLOCK system. You guys could do that. You guys could reset the PASSLOCK system. You guys can take the positive terminal off the battery for about 30 seconds, put it back on. You guys could take the positive terminal off the battery and touch the battery terminals 2 to 3 times, 3 to 4 times, however times. You guys can take the key out of the try to start it, take the key out of the ignition. I've done so many of these videos. Definitely look at my other videos for there's bound to be at least I don't know, 6, 7, maybe like 7, 10 different ways so far. Probably a lot more of things that people have come up with to reset their system, to get the vehicle started, to tricks that's done. Sometimes it's physical with the key turning on and off. Sometimes it's deleting, putting the OBD2 reader in and just clearing the OBD2 codes. If there's no codes, they'll clear it anyway, and sometimes that works. Sometimes taking a fuse out, ECU, PCM fuse. There's just so many variety of things that people have done to try to fix to try to get the vehicle started. Now, this particular situation is another thing that I've come across. It's another hack or trick that I've come across. If you guys have this situation, this is a very easy thing to do. All right, if you guys put your key in ignition, try to start it, and you don't get a crank, or you don't get a crank, okay, you just get a no start, no crank, no start scenario, but you get the PASSLOCK light on your dash, and your battery is good, there's no problems with your battery, anything like that. I'm going to tell you guys what you guys can do to try to get this your vehicle to start. Now, you're going to need your second key. Now, I know a lot of people don't keep the second key around. Some people lose their second key. Some people never had a second key. Some people don't have a second key. Some people, the one they have is their second key. A lot of different scenarios. All right, if you guys have the secondary key to your vehicle, Normally vehicles come with 2 keys. You guys have the secondary key. You guys should definitely look for it and try to use it to start it, because a lot of times, for whatever reason, well, to be honest with you, I'll tell you what the reason is. All right, sometimes the key that you've used to start your car, a truck or whatever, it gets worn out over time. You're constantly putting it in, taking it out, constantly putting it in, turning it, taking it out. Over time, that metal gets worn. Once that metal gets worn to a certain degree, what happens is it won't, the ignition cylinder won't be able to read the key itself physically. And then you have this situation where it says it's probably the wrong key. The security light comes up, it says you can't start it. So when you guys go and get the secondary key, which in most cases probably maybe used once or twice, has never been used, you pop it in. It's a fairly brand new key. All the ridges are there. It's not worn. You turn it and it turns on. That's the trick for this video, is to use your secondary key. Sometimes, in a rare occasion, for whatever reason, the chip inside the fob key is corrupted in some way. It lost the connection is lost. It's whatever that's programmed in the old key, it's not programmed. If you guys get in that scenario, I think the trick to that is to put the key in ignition, turn it on and off 3 times or something like that. I'm not quite sure. You guys gonna have to look that up. I might make a future video of this, but for this video, if you guys are looking for a hack or a trick or a quick fix out of this situation, if you guys have that secondary key, definitely look for that secondary key and try to start it. All right, now if that works, it means that the key that you've been using has issues. All right, best thing to do is just get another key from the dealership. I think it costs anywhere from $100 to $140 to get a fob key made, and you should be good with that. But in any case, hope this video has helped you guys out. If you guys have any of your own personal tricks, there's bound to be a ton of other tricks or hacks for this system. If you guys have had them and it has worked, definitely feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. It might help somebody else out in the future. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time, all right, guys. Take care.